Now we walked through Best Buy looking for out-of-the-box products, and I came across this. I had no idea they were even making a 2 to the Mavic Mini, and I just happened to see this. Here's somebody coming to help us. They're ringing us out. Now, I'm pretty sure y'all gonna have some questions for me. Or will you? So here are the specs. Okay, it's still less than 249 grams. And this time you get 31 minutes max flight time. 10 kilometers AccuSync 2.0 HD video transmission. 8.5 to 10.5 meters per second. Level 5 wind resistance. 3-axis gimbal camera. 4K video. Now you get a panoramic quick shot in the one-tap videos. And this is the Fly More combo pack, which includes the aircraft, shoulder bag, screwdriver, remote control, RC cable ×3, spare propellers ×3, flight battery pack ×3, USB to C, manuals, 2-way charging hub, and spare controller sticks. As soon as you open it out of the box, the drone has a propeller holder. Pretty much looks like the same Mavic Mini 1. Same shape, same design, same size. And now you see the Mini 2 on the wing. And the blades this time has orange stripes, whereas the one got gray stripes. The remote controller's even changed. So yeah, the Mini 1 has the remote control where you slide your device underneath the folding arms, which sometimes is annoying because it can block the sensor to your phone, causing it to turn dark. And sometimes it's hard to put the connector to your phone. So now they're using the remote control that they have for the Mavic Air 1 and 2. This time the phone goes up top. You don't have to worry about any arms that you have to slide your phone into. You put it in the dock, connect your wire, and you're good to go. So there's no more antennas that you have to deal with. And you also get to change the mode of your recording on the remote control itself. Not sure what the FN button is for. You have your camera shutter button next to the right control stick, and your video camera button on the top corner. The gimbal wheel is on the left corner, and on the bottom is where you store your 2 controller sticks, and right in the middle of that is where you will connect your cord to charge the remote control. Now you do have to charge your battery once you get it, because it comes with no charge at all. So you have your quick start guide, your 2-way charging hub guide, and a disclaimer and safety guideline. And here's the 2-way charger. You can charge all 3 batteries, but you cannot charge them all at once. You'll charge them one at a time, and it doesn't take that long. And there's the charger base, your RC cables, and your USB to C. There's your lithium-ion battery. Same look, same power button. And now there's the 4K on the camera. See the battery difference? Now it's time for the flight test. All right, so it's not connecting because it's not online yet. So you get a blank screen. Everything's turning red. It's not connected for some reason.
Because they're not ready yet. I shouldn't have this.
And that's when I found out that it's supposed to come out November 5th. Yes, I got a brick to deal with for now. November 5th.